Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon all. We are from Group 6. We will present our discussion's result about technical cultural control. Before we're going to the material, I will introduce our member groups. Next. Yeah, at the first is Aliefia Fargianto with the student number 162. At the second, Reno Gerldsyah with the student number 166. And the third is Anggita Fadhila with the student number 172. And then we'll move to the material. First is about the definition. Technical culture control is a control method by utilizing the environment to reduce the development of pests. This control is a preventive control that is carried out before a pest attack occurs with the aim that the population of plant-disturbing organisms does not increase to exceed the control threshold. Next.
Characteristic of pest control in technical culture. 1. Preventive control is carried out before pest attack. 2. Aim to control the pest population so that the damage that occurs is always below the economic threshold. 3. Reduce and limit the use of chemical pesticides. The use of chemical pesticides is the last alternative if environmentally friendly control techniques are not able to cope. 4. Reducing the suitability of pest ecosystem by carrying out sanitation, host modification, water management, and land management. Next. The purpose of cultivation control. Cultivation control can be grouped into 4 with the objectives to be achieved, namely 1. Reducing ecosystem suitability. 2. Disrupt the continuity of supplying the necessities of life for plant-disturbing organisms. 3. Divert the population of plant-disturbing organisms. 4. Reduce the impact of crop damage. Next. How to control pests with technical culture. 1. Sanitation. Sanitation or cleaning techniques are a way of controlling farming that is quite effective in reducing pest population. Sanitation measures can be carried out by destroying the remains of plants that are still alive and dead, part of plants that are attacked by pests, and other types of plants that can become suited hosts. Next.
2. Spacing setting. Spacing is an attempt to provide space for each plant to grow well and to create microhabits around plants that are unfavorable for the reproduction and life of pests and pathogenic organisms so as to produce pest development. 3. Soil cultivation. Tillage can improve water infiltration and aeration and control pests and plant debris. Good tillage can kill or inhibit the development of pests because they are exposed to the sun and eaten by predators on the soil surface. 4. Use mulch. The use of plastic mulch can control pests that lay eggs in the soil. The purpose of using plastic mulch is to break the life cycle of pests. Advantage and disadvantage of technical culture. Advantage: meet the criteria of a good cropping pattern to suppress the emergence of pests, minimize production costs, maintain the balance of nature, considering natural enemies and predators. Disadvantage: not all farmers are interested in applying the cropping pattern simultaneously and according to the recommendation, and then it takes perseverance and high discipline among farmers to apply the mini planting pattern.
Okay, that is our presentation. If there is a mistake, we are sorry for that. If you have any question, please type at the comment below. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon all.